my name is Mislav Ščurić. Well, it's a bit harder to pronounce in English, but no matter. I am 14 years old. I work out here at the Stiefvater park, and that actually wouldn't be anything special except for the fact that I have cerebral palsy, which is a disorder that affects my basic motor functions. It started affecting me since I was born. I lost a lot of oxygen while I was still in the womb due to a doctor mistake. Against all odds, I started walking by the age of 3, which is a pretty big accomplishment for someone who has cerebral palsy. And since then, I went through 4 operations. Some were on my legs, some were on my Achilles tendons, and other parts of my legs or down a part of my torso. Essentially, what my life was before I started working out is I went through a lot of self-loathing. I had a lot of self-esteem issues, pretty big self-esteem issues. I went through depression. It really helped me. I can't describe the feeling I got, and to this day I'm just trying to be better. At the national competition in street workout, I had a motivational speech, and I just really want to tell people how it helped me and how it will help them, because it's not too late. You can't do it. Impossible doesn't exist. It's cliche. They tell you that in movies. In Undisputed, in Rocky, they always tell you impossible doesn't exist. You just have to believe in it. But people always come with the excuse it's just a movie. It doesn't really mean anything. Well, it does. You just gotta believe in yourself. Yeah, I'm here. I'm so cool. I'm so freaking cool. Look at my six-pack. Got it. Okay, here's some eye candy from my man Ivan. My man Ivan. My man Ivan. My bro with the belly. My bro with the belly. My other bro with the belly. My other bro with the belly. Oh, damn. Damn, son, look at that bicep, man. She my baby.
What's up, man? How's it going, man?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah. It sure is.
Ripped.
You're ripped as fuck, man. You're ripped as fuck, bro.
Yes, I am.
Fuck is not a swear word. Fuck is in fact not a word at all.
Yes, it is. It's in the Oxford
Just a small
dictionary.
disclaimer.
It's in the Oxford dictionary. My brother and I looked it up. It's actually in there.
Seriously.
Yes, it is.
F-U-I-R-K. Are we talking about the same word? Yeah. I
No,
guess.
we are talking about fuck. F-U-C-K.
No, fuck is an actual word, but fark is not a word.
A fark.
Oh, fark is appropriate in this kind of areas.
F-A-R-K.
Yeah, fark is appropriate. Yeah, definitely.
Well, beep that out.